In order to invite someone into your Fantasy Premier League, you need to follow the simple steps. Go ahead and open your web browser. Then after, go to fantasy.premierleague.com, log into your specific account. After that, click on Pick Team. After that, go to Leagues and Cups from the top, which is between transfers and fixtures. You need to select your league. Find the league that you just created and you wish to invite someone to. Click on its name. Then select Invite People to join this league. Once you do that, a code will appear in this page. Click on Copy Auto Join link, and this will be copied into your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you like. Then there is also the option of share league code by email. Select this and your Gmail application will open. From here, you can send an email. You also have the option to copy email text to send the invitation. And if you choose copy auto join link option, you can send link to the person you want to invite via any messaging or social media platform. And if you choose to share the code, they will receive an email with the joining instructions. And once they click the link or use the code, they will successfully join your league. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.